Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to a Decentralized Bull channel. I'm Mario Decentralized. I'm in crypto for almost a decade. I'm a big agent. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull channel. Today we're going to talk about some very important topics like the Bitcoin price going down and what are the price targets for that. We're also going to talk about Ethereum, Chainlink, and about some IDOs that are going to happen in the upcoming weeks and days. So make sure you stay tuned until the end, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and make some noise for the algorithm. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight in the chart and see what happened to the Bitcoin price in the last couple of days. Now, as we can see, exactly as predicted in the previous videos, I've been talking in the last my videos that we might see a big correction coming in, and as we can see, we went below. We tried to get back into the rectangle here. We rejected the bottom of this rectangle and then went even lower, and now we are about to cross the bottom of the bigger rectangle here at $40,250, and if it's not gonna hold, we can see a price target of $38,500 or even less. My worst case scenario is $32,500 for Bitcoin for the upcoming weeks and months until the halving. After the halving, I think the Bitcoin price will start going up again for sure. That's why I'm looking to buy more Bitcoin at 39, 38, 36, 35, 34, and even $32,000 if it goes down below. So I'm happy buying and accumulating more. That's what you should do also. For example, I'm not going to sell any Bitcoin on any of these dips. Bitcoin is a very scarce asset, one of the most scarcest assets in the world, so that's why I like to hold it as much as I can and make sure I don't lose it, because a lot of people have been buying Bitcoin like even at $1 and or like $10 or even less, and they sold most of it. That's why they missed out on like 45,000x gains. That's why you have to be very careful and always hold your Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a very scarce asset, so you need to be very careful what you're doing with it. Now let's see what Ethereum is doing in the short term. We can see Ethereum seeking $2,429 right now. Also big downtrend here. We have like just lower highs and lower lows here. Look like we're about to go even lower now. We even broke the support here at 2,450, so we are probably going to go to the 2,150 zone right here, down here. That's very likely in my opinion, and I'm gladly gonna accumulate more Ethereum. Also, Bitcoin and Ethereum are my two biggest holdings, and I would like to accumulate more. It's nothing wrong with that. Now let's take a look at the altcoin market. What do we see here? We see almost everything a little bit like 1 to 3% in the red. Let's see. I want to show you also Doge. Where is Doge? Because Doge did something very impressive in the last couple of days. So we got from Twitter, or X, the new name, we got here we can see Doge USD at 8.3. we had a big pump yesterday. It's often used because Twitter or X just announced their payment system. They create the payment page on X, so it looks quite good. I'm quite sure they're probably gonna use Doge for payments in the future, so that's why I'm very bullish on Doge. I think that Doge can be even multiple dollars in the future, so I also like Doge a lot. It's definitely my favorite meme coins, and even in of the major altcoins is one of my favorite ones because we have a lot of backing. Almost most of the founders, they already sold their shares, so it's like very decentralized, and I like those a lot. Now let's quickly take a look at Chainlink, and we know we still have our trade opened here down below at $13, still in a profit. I think it's around 150% the profits right now, plus minus, and it's still going up. We have here, let's look at Stacks. Actually, Stacks is getting in a nice buying zone again. So Stacks went to $2.20 and now it's sitting at $1.40 right now, so quite good gain. So if you will buy it right now at $1.44 and it goes back down to $2.20, you can make around 43% on spot. That's like 430% with a 10x leverage. So I'll definitely look into some entry points for Stacks. I would buy more Stacks, I think, at $1.20. Let me quickly show. You can buy Stacks actually on every of these blue support lines on spot or open a trade even also. So 129 would be my first target to open a trade on Stacks. Next target would be 1 and 12. Now let's quickly take a look at also at SUI, and SUI is going down a little bit. As I said also in my previous video, we had this big head and shoulders formation here, and looks like it's gonna go down a bit more. So my price target would be, the first one would be 93 cents. That's where I might be thinking, but I would rather just buy it down here at 71 cents. That's where I'm gonna set some nice buy orders for SUI. Besides that, everything is a little bit in red. I wouldn't buy any altcoins right now. I'm just doing short-term trades to accumulate more capital to buy more Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.